Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Boys and girls, this week we are learning about phonograms. Phonograms are a series of letters that represents one or more sounds. Today, the two phonograms that we are working with are ing and ang. Our directions say, look at the picture, fill in ing or ang to spell each word. Our first picture is the word bang, b-ang. So I'm going to write ang, the phonogram ang. You can see that the initial sound is done for us. Our next word is w-ing, wing, w-ing. Our next word is fang. So we will use the phonogram ang to complete the word fang. Ang. Our next picture is a picture of sing. S-ing. We will use the phonogram ing. S-ing. Sing. The next picture is hang. H-ang. We will use the phonogram ang. H-ang. Hang. Our next picture is swing. S-w-ing. Swing. We will use the phonogram ing. Swing. Our next picture is king. K-ing. King. We will use the phonogram ing. K-ing. Our next word is sting. S-t-ing. Sting. I will use the phonogram ing. And our last picture is ring. ing. Ring. We will use the phonogram ing. Okay, my friends, we are going to be doing super sentences. Please write your name at the top of the paper. The first word we are going to work with has the phonogram ing. The word is ring. Ing. And you can see that phonogram ing at the end. Our next word is fang. We're going to use the phonogram ang. Ang. Fang. Our next word is the word king. The phonogram ing. K. Ing. King. And right there at the end, you can see the phonogram ing. Then we are going to use the word hang. H-ang. Phonogram ang. H-ang. Hang. Number 5 is wing. W-ing. W-ing. See that phonogram at the end with ing. And our 6th and final word is the word bang. B-ang. We have the phonogram ang at the end. Please pause the video if you need time to catch up. We are now going to put each word into a sentence. You'll be able to see that we have 2 lines for each sentence, so you have plenty of space. The first word is ring. I will write the sentence, and you can use mine or think of your own. My sentence is going to be, she has a pretty ring. So I need a capital S because it's the beginning of a sentence. She, finger space, has, finger space, a, finger space, pretty, finger space, and I don't think I can fit ring right there, so I'm going to come down to my second line and write ring. She has a pretty ring with a period at the end. Please pause the video to finish your sentence. Okay, my friends, our second word is fang. So we are going to put fang into a complete sentence. Again, you can think of your own sentence with the word fang or use mine. My sentence is going to be, the snake has a sharp fang. Capital T at the beginning. So we always capitalize the beginning of every sentence. The snake. S-n-a-k. With that silent E at the end. I see a long vowel silent E. The snake has a sharp consonant digraph. R is it A-R controlled vowel. P, finger space, fang, f-ang. The snake has a sharp fang. Number 3 is king. My sentence is going to be, I want to see the king. Capital I at the beginning of the sentence. Want, finger space, to, finger space, see, finger space, the, finger space, king. Ending punctuation. Our next word is hang. My sentence is going to be, he can hang from the bar. Capital H. We always capitalize the beginning of every sentence. Can hang from the bar. Please pause the video if you need time to catch up. All right, my friends, you are on your own for number 5, wing, and number 6, bang. I believe in you. You can do hard things. When you're done, turn it into the basket and move on to Lexia.